Hello everybody, my name is Joshua Rudd with Ruddshomefarm, and today I'm going to unbox my new grow light that I got from Vivosun. It's the VS2000, so that means it's 200 watts, and it's a really great grow light. I'm going to show you the review, and if you like this video, check out my website. If you want to get this, check out, there's a coupon I have available. I'm an affiliate with them. They have great products for hydroponics. The grow tent here and the light is both their products. Highly recommend. Also, if you're new to hydroponics, go ahead and get your 11-step guide on how to get started with hydroponics and a free checklist. Just go ahead and check out my website, sign up for it, and you'll get it in your email. So let's get right into it. All right, so here it is. Disclaimer, I did peek just a little bit because I was so excited to open up this grow light. This is the VS2000 full spectrum LED grow light. Here she is. Look at that beauty. Comes with instructions on it and the specifications. So it is a 200 watt light LED, and it has settings from 40% all the way up to 100% and even off. And it also has a controller you can hook up to, which is pretty sweet. And here's your amperages at the bottom. It's only 1.6 amps. That's not bad at all. So very good. Full spectrum rich. There we go. Okay, so let's pick her up. She is a beauty. She's absolutely, look at that. Look at that beauty. So this one does have the sunlight LEDs with additional red lights for flowering, which makes me very happy. What else is included in the box? We'll just set that right there. That's a beauty. This is the twice size. Where I'm putting this is in my grow tent over there. So I need a 4-foot by 2-foot covering. And so that's why this one, there's a smaller version. So this is a 200 version of it. Okay. So what else comes in here is they give you sunglasses, which is pretty neat of them. Here's your cables for your controllers. You could hook them in tandem too, so you can control like a whole room full of lights from a controller. The controller is not included. Here's your hangers. Here's your straps, and here's your splitter for for controlling. I'm not gonna use the controller. There's a knob on here. Let's see. Here's the knob. The knob's right here. And you can just control your light source there. So let's go ahead and plug it in. So I'm gonna test the sunglasses and the light at the same time. Okay? Nice, sunglasses work really well. And here's our light. Gorgeous. It's got this rubbery film, so it's waterproof. Or water resistant, I think would be the better word. Because if you immerse this in water, I'm pretty sure it wouldn't work. But splashes from water, real nice. Look at that. So it looks like we got some sunlight colored ones here. We have some whiter color ones here, and then we have the red ones here. So it looks like a very good spectrum of lights. Okay. All right, so now let's hang them up. Let's hang her up. Oh, I forgot. Here, let's try. Beep, beep, beep. There, you can turn it off. So first one is max, and then it goes from 100, 90, 80, 70, 60, 60%, I think is the lowest it goes. Let's see what it says on the side to make sure I'm just not talking out the side of my neck. Oh no, yeah, I am talking outside of my head. It drops by 20. There you go. Well, there's your numbers. Very good light. Let's go ahead and test its lumens. And we'll set it up and test the lumens. So, this is my old 4-foot LED white light here. This is the one I bought about last year. And so this new one I bought is gonna be a huge improvement. So let's go ahead and use our lux meter to determine what the light source is now. The last two numbers is the thousands. So that's 30,000, 40,000. And I think if I almost touch the light, I think I can get 50,000 right there. So that's about half a foot. This is my issue. It's about 2 feet. It's just a huge reduction in light over a short range. And so from here all the way down, it's just like, it's nothing. So there. As you can see over here, the issue is down here is that this is the 200 watt version, so I thought I could put enough, but I just can't get enough light to break through the canopy. See? So these leaves aren't getting any light whatsoever. See, these leaves up top, they're in the 20s and 30s. Sorry, there you go, 30s, 50s, and 40s. I think 40 is preferred, you know. But as you can see, it's just like even slightly below the canopy, it's just dark. So, and then all these leaves at the bottom are all shriveling up and dying up because they're not getting any light. So that's why I bought the grow tent, and that's why I bought the light. So let's set it up. Let's set this bad boy up. All right, here we are. I can already tell this is much brighter. So let's put our lux meter in there. Oh man, look at that. Bro, about 1,000 is as bright as the sun. You know, the sun hitting the meter here. But look at that. Look how much I still have. All the way down. This is still higher than the white LED. This is only 200 watts. This is twice as much as the other light. Man, this is a really powerful LED. This is still very strong. Okay. That is great. That makes me really happy. That makes me really, really happy. I'm excited to put my tomatoes under here. If you like this product, go ahead and there's a coupon. I'm an affiliate with them. They sell great products. I really trust them. And go ahead and get the links in the description. Everything's in the description. So we'll see you in the next time. In the meantime, I got some tomatoes to place in here. Catch you in the next video. Bye-bye.